Welcome! macos-video-editor is a brand new, free, open source video editor that is stable, has advanced features, and is just a joy to use. Get it from macos-video-editor.org. The link is in the description of this video, of course. On that site, you can just hit the download button in the center or at the top. Here you can pick your operating system. For Mac, the download starts immediately. Meanwhile, the Linux link comes with instructions for various distributions. For Windows, you can pick installer or portable and which bit version you have. In your Windows settings, you can type in 32 and then see if you have a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. And then down here you can see 64-bit operating system. That is the part that is relevant. If there is a 32, get the 32-bit version. If there is a 64, get the 64-bit version. So here you can choose between installer and portable. We're gonna get the installer and the download will start in a few seconds. And we're gonna also get the portable version just to show you how that one works. I'm just gonna select this down here and click Show in Folder. In Firefox you have to do this at the top right. So now you can try to install the setup version. Windows is scared, so I'll just allow it anyway. And I have administrator rights, so I'm gonna allow this, but you might not be able to. If you are, just press Next, Agree, Next. And I'm not gonna use a desktop shortcut, but I will use a Start Menu shortcut. And then I'll just wait for this progress bar to finish. Gonna press Next, and not gonna run it yet. However, I can now start it from the Start menu. Now, if you are not able to install or don't want to install, for a software that is still in development, that is actually maybe the wiser choice, you can use the portable version, which you can simply right-click and then select Extract All, and just extract. In the folder, just go to the Olive folder and scroll down to the Olive Editor .exe. If it doesn't show .exe, you can just go to View and File Name Extensions, enable or disable that. Here, Olive Editor no .exe, Olive Editor with .exe. So I can just double-click it, and again, Windows is worried. Run anyways. Let's see if we can run this now without Windows being worried. Yeah, only the first time we get the warning. And in here we can just import files and then drag them to a timeline and make cuts and rearrange clips, make transitions, things like that. Check out my Olive video tutorials, make sure to subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments of this video. This is a fantastic video editor from what I have tried so far. I hope you have fun with it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!